Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to upload longer reels on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, head over. Just make sure that you have logged in into your desired account from which you want to upload your reel. So then get on to the plus icon. Once you're there, click on a desired reel you want to post, like this one. So if you want to post this, just you have to go to the next, and if you want to make some edits, you can do from here. Then click on next. Once you do it, you can also save a draft of it and do some other works. You can tag people here, add your location, and add reminder also. And once you click on share, it will be shared as reel on your Instagram channel. And here you can see the reel is being shared. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.